Guys, welcome to another tutorial. Ideally today I'll be showing you how to deploy header CMS called Directus um, on railwayapp, and then you can use this as your backend. So I'll just add a service, and then from here you select a template, Directus. Yeah, so this is really cool. A template by Carlos. Let's deploy this. It comes up with two services. So we need to add a variable, we need to add an admin email. That is it. That's my admin email. I'll click deploy this. So yeah, it deploys for your database and the CMS itself. A really cool headless CMS. We'll test it and I'll show you how to use Postman for the API part to get the data from your collection right away from the production environment, which is Redo in this case. It's still deploying. We'll just give it some minutes for then we can come here. I'm just trying to look at the documentation. So this is the documentation in case you need to run it locally, but you'll be able to see that it has a database, a data engine, and a data studio. And then it integrates with any front end. It integrates with, let's say you are building on React and or on Vue.js or Angular. You'll be able to integrate that using the APIs, either GraphQL or REST API. So it's still deploying here. Okay, this one is still queued. Excellent, we have it right here. I'm gonna just open it. So on here to the networking, you should be able to get a URL, and there we go. So ideally you use the email that you set. And here for the password, you can get the password right from Railway. So just a minute. Come here to the variables, and you should be able to see the admin password, the admin email, and the admin password, and of course the database is automatically connected. So I'll copy this and I'll sign to it. Don't want to save it for now. So we have our Directus up and running. I'll create a collection. Let's call it users. Okay, we can have the ID as a UUID, but this just up to you. Select status created on, updated on. Yeah, that is it. I'll add a custom field just to test the API. So I'll put first name. So the default value is nar. It's a type of is a string. I'll save this. I'll also add last name. Last name string. That's fine. Just save it. That's fine. I'll just come here to the content. Users. I'll just create a new user. Save this. I'll add another one. Say Michael. That is it. On the next bit, I'll show you how to get the data from now this production environment. So for the first thing, we need to allow this. We need to allow this collection to be available. Just a minute. I'll come to the access policy and then to the public. That is, we want to, for now we are not using a token or any logins. So I'll add a collection here, users. So let's say they can read. Just a minute. So all access. So assigned to users roles. Okay, that's fine. I'll just have to test it now. So yeah, we are at least done with that. So the next bit will be testing to see if our production environment is working well. So for that, I'll come here and then you can come here to the settings, copy this part. So this is the base URL. So let me just pick it from the UI so that I can get the HTTPS part. So let me just pick this and then right here on the postman. So items, you add items for your base URL, after your base URL and before your collection name. So this is the collection name and then we send it. So it says okay, but I don't see any results. Okay, this is the data. We are able to get the two names. Can send it again. Yes, so this is the data that we get from our CMS in a production environment. So I think